Brilliant, quick, and healthy dessert! Pour whipping cream into a bowl. Add sugar and beat the cream until it becomes firm. Cut one melon in half. Remove the seeds from the inside. Cut the melon into slices. Peel each slice. Cut the melon into pieces and put them in a bowl. Blend the melon flesh with a blender. Pour into the bowl with whipped cream. Mix until you get a smooth cream. Pour the mixture into a tray and freeze for 3 hours. In the heated saucepan, add sugar and pour in a little water. Stir until the sugar caramelizes. Cut one lemon in half. Squeeze the lemon juice and pour it into the saucepan, stirring continuously. Add whipping cream in a thin stream and boil the caramel. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add butter. Stir the caramel sauce well until the butter melts. With an intense melon flavor and caramel sauce, this homemade ice cream will pamper your taste buds to the fullest.